Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is Uncle Nate with
Ayden the Shark.
This is our two-day race over by Tampa last weekend from the Florida Oval Asphalt Series, race number 2. There's Ayden in the back there. We had quite a few kids, lots of different types of karts this week. It was a lot of fun. We pick it up here in Heat 1, the first race of the night, day 1. What happens here, buddy?
I got lost of control of my go-kart and I went straight down into the infield.
Yeah, we really missed on setup. This track's very different from any of the tracks we've ran. We had some differing opinions on what to do, so we kind of tried a little bit of everything. We would like to give a big shout out to Rick and his son Case, who Ayden made good friends with, and Rick was really nice to come over at the end of night 1 and help us make some tweaks to our kart to keep us safe, keep us competitive. So we pick up here day 2. This is Zoe. Zoe's from our track, right, buddy?
Yes.
We passed her.
We went pretty wide.
Case.
Yeah, and I went right back underneath him.
So we get the lead here right off the bat in Heat 1. And then Zoe's kart breaks. We get a caution. Are you nervous about the restart here?
Sort of.
Were you happy that your car was handling better?
Yes, and I was also a little scared and confident at the same time.
We call that a little anxious, a little nervous and scared at the same time. Ready to go. So we fast forward here in Heat 1. These are 10-lap heats. We're coming right to take the white flag here. And this slippery little snake gets right underneath us. We get third in Heat 1, don't we?
Yes.
But your kart was handling a lot better, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, again, big thanks to Rick for helping us there. In the main event, we got in a little tanglement with our new friends, and they broke through the back of our seat and bent our chain there. We still managed to squeeze out of second place. You have fun, buddy?
Yes.
What was the best part of the weekend? Gotta say something.
Probably being ducked under my seat.
Ducked under this. Oh yeah, when you got jumped. Well, thanks for coming. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back and see us.
Bye.